Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. These tools will help you safely open the Thermomix and diagnose the issue. First, unplug the device from the power source to avoid any electrical hazards. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the bottom panel of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Once you've removed the panel, carefully lift it off to expose the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect the wiring and connections for any obvious signs of damage or disconnection that could be causing the error 52. Next, using your multimeter, test the jar contacts for continuity. This step is crucial to determine if the contacts are functioning properly. If you find that the contacts are faulty, you may need to clean them. A soft cloth can be used to gently wipe away any debris or corrosion. If you feel uncomfortable performing these tests or do not have the necessary tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the situation for you. After cleaning the contacts, reassemble the bottom panel by aligning it correctly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight, but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the plastic casing. Before plugging the Thermomix back in, take a moment to inspect the power cable for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, plug the device into the power source and test it with the jar attached to see if the error 52 persists. If the error continues, you might need to consider replacing the contacts entirely. This is a more advanced repair, and if you're unsure, it's best to consult a professional. Our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you don't have to worry about transportation. Once you've resolved the issue, whether through cleaning or replacing components, be sure to conduct a thorough internal cleaning of the Thermomix. This will not only help in maintaining its functionality but also extend its lifespan. Lastly, should you decide to go for a professional repair, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect without any hidden costs. This transparency is part of our commitment to providing top-notch service to our customers. Now, your Thermomix TM31 should be working as new, and you can get back to enjoying delicious meals with it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.